Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you rely on Google Chrome for browsing on your mobile device, but sometimes it can feel sluggish, especially with all the tabs and data we accumulate. Today, in this 2025 edition, I'm going to show you some easy, effective ways to speed up Google Chrome on your Android or iOS phone. By the end of this video, you'll have a faster, smoother browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Chrome app is up to date. In 2025, Google has rolled out even more optimizations, so head to your App Store, search for Chrome, and hit that update button. This ensures you get the latest performance fixes and features. Next, clear out your cache and cookies. Over time, these build up and can slow things down. Open Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right for settings, go to Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files, then Confirm. You'll notice a snappier load time right away. Now, manage your tabs effectively. With Chrome's 2025 tab grouping feature, you can organize and close unnecessary tabs easily. Swipe through your tabs and close the ones you don't need. Trust me, fewer tabs mean faster performance. Another tip: enable Chrome's Data Saver mode. This compresses web pages before they load, which not only saves data but also speeds up your browsing on slower connections. Find it in Settings under Bandwidth or Light mode. It's a game changer for mobile users. Don't forget to check for any extensions or add-ons that might be hogging resources. Go to Settings, then Extensions, and disable or remove any you don't use often. In 2025, Chrome has made this even simpler with one-tap management. Finally, if things still feel off, try restarting the app or your device. Sometimes, a quick reboot clears temporary glitches. There you have it. Simple steps to turbocharge your Google Chrome on mobile. Give these a try and let me know in the comments how much faster your browsing is now. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.